Hello guys, welcome to a new video. As you guys know that this is my second video on my channel, and I was getting too many comments on how to download PUBG Mobile on PC. So here is how. Okay, sorry. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So guys, you have to go to a site. I'm giving the link in the description and it will take you here. So you continue download, just click on download and it will automatically start. It's a very small size setup, so it will automatically start the downloading, and it just depends on your internet how fast it is to download files. Mine is very slow. Okay, here you go. So click open and hit with it. You just click on start, and I have skipped the video so that you don't have to wait for it, and after clicking start button it will automatically start downloading, installing in your computer, and then click on play and it will start. So guys, it is I have made a very vast research, but I think this is the best ever emulator on PC, and there are many others on the internet like BlueStacks and many others, but I'll prefer this, and it is released by Tencent Gaming Buddy, which is officially released by Pubg. In the beginning you will for the first time you will start, you will see a update. It's very small, just of 16 MB, and the thing I really like in this emulator is that the control are completely customized for keyboard and mouse, and you can't feel any difficulty in playing game. I also use it and it is very comfortable to me, and once update is finished it will say you to restart. Just click OK and restart the game. So it will take a few moments and then it will start the demo. So guys, this is a simple way to download PUBG Mobile on PC. A very good software to do that. And so guys, if you need any tutorial and any how-to videos, and let me know in the comment box. I'm waiting for you there, and I'll make best video for you guys. So if after waiting some moments it will start, and if you guys want any videos, any how-to, any tutorials, any software download, I'll keep making videos, but if you guys suggest me to download, then it will be a favor. So after reaching here, you have to log in with your Facebook account or Twitter or guest. I am logging it here with Facebook, and then click continue. So here it is, PUBG emulator on PC is here. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash the like button and that subscribe button. That's all from today, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.